Hello, Katie Pond with the Pond team at Compass here to talk a little bit about my favorite subject, the current state of the real estate market here in San Diego. There's so much confusion and uncertainty as far as the public is concerned with what the housing market is doing and what it's projected to do in 2023, and I totally understand why. There's the doom and gloom of the news headlines of high interest rates, a possible impending recession, and it doesn't really match up with what we're experiencing, which is jam-packed open houses, multiple offer situations. And so I just wanted to discuss a little bit about what we're really experiencing. So what's going on and what is real? Well, it's true that inflation is still out of whack and rates are still hovering right around 7%, and there's not really any signs that we will see rate relief in the near future. And you would think that that would completely crush the real estate market. But the problem we've had for the last several years in San Diego, and it still remains our largest problem, not enough homes for sale to keep up with the buyer demand. When we saw the temporary slowdown last year, it was because rates spiked up kind of higher than any of us thought that they would really quickly, and buyers got scared that we were going to see a market crash. So inventory levels grew to the largest levels that we had seen in the last few years, so the market slowed a bit. So fast forward to 2023, we're back to super low inventory levels, which equals a greater buyer demand. So what do I think this all means for our buyers and sellers this year? I think that spring's going to remain a hot seller's market as long as the home that's going on the market is presented properly and priced well. And I think the monetary policy will continue to tighten with higher interest rates until we see more stabilization in the inflation numbers, which could potentially spell more buyer opportunity, maybe mid to late summer like we saw last year. The reality is that there's always good buying and selling opportunities as long as you're working with the right professional who's an expert in the marketplace. And one thing's for sure, it's going to be a little bit of a volatile ride for housing in 2023. And by volatile, I don't mean a crash, just a bit of a wrestling match between supply and demand and interest rates. If you want to see where the market's currently at in your neighborhood, you can go ahead and click on the market report link below. And as always, call us with any real estate related questions. We love chatting about the market and timing and when the opportunity presents itself for the best buying or selling opportunity for you. Have a great day.